She will leave the man she loves, but never the man who makes her feel these three things. Now, I know that sounds a little shocking at first. How can a woman walk away from a man she's deeply in love with? How can she give up on something that feels so real, and yet stay with someone who might not even check all the boxes on paper? The truth is, love alone is not enough to make a relationship last. And that's exactly what we're breaking down today, the real psychology behind why women leave the men they love, and why they stay with the men who make them feel something even deeper than love. So if you've ever been heartbroken, confused, or just curious about relationships, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only why this happens, but also how to be the kind of man she never wants to leave. Let's start with a reality most people don't want to hear. Love is not enough. You can love someone with all your heart, but if you're not meeting their core emotional needs, that love will eventually fade under the weight of disappointment, neglect, or uncertainty. For women, there are three key emotional experiences that can outweigh even the strongest romantic feelings. And when a man consistently provides these, she will hold on to him, even if he's not perfect. 1. She feels chosen every day. When a woman feels chosen, she knows she's not just an option, she's your priority. This doesn't mean buying expensive gifts or making grand gestures once in a while. It's about the little daily actions that show her she matters. Calling to check in, remembering the small details she shares with you, making time for her even when life gets busy. Here's the thing. Women are incredibly perceptive when it comes to feeling like they're competing for your attention. If she feels like she's constantly fighting for your time, energy, or focus, she'll eventually stop fighting. But when she knows she's your first choice, the one you want beside you through everything, she'll stay even when things get hard. Because being chosen isn't just about romance. It's about safety, trust, and knowing she can rely on you. 2. You give her emotional security. Emotional security is one of the most underrated elements in a healthy relationship. It's not about solving all her problems. It's not about having all the answers. Emotional security is about creating an environment where she can be herself, fully, without fear of judgment or rejection. When a woman knows she can talk to you about anything, whether it's her biggest dreams or her worst fears, she relaxes into the relationship. She doesn't have to wonder where she stands. She doesn't have to walk on eggshells. On the other hand, if she's always questioning your commitment, if she feels anxious about whether you'll still be there tomorrow, that stress eats away at even the deepest love. Over time, anxiety replaces affection and self-protection takes over. So if you want to be the man she never leaves, show her she's safe with you. Not just physically safe, but emotionally safe. That's the kind of connection she won't walk away from. 3. You inspire her to grow. This one surprises a lot of men. Women don't stay for potential. They stay for a partner who actively believes in their potential. When you inspire her to grow, you're telling her, I see you. I believe in you. I know you're capable of more than you even realize. You push her to chase her dreams, to challenge herself, to become the best version of herself, and you're there cheering her on through every step. This doesn't mean controlling her path or making decisions for her. It means supporting her growth in a way that feels empowering, not limiting. And when she connects you to her personal growth, she's not just with you because she loves you, she's with you because you're part of her evolution. Now let's talk about why she might still leave a man she loves. Many men think loyalty, providing financially, and saying, I love you, is enough. And yes, those things matter. But they are not enough if she feels lonely inside the relationship. If she's emotionally starving, if she feels unseen, unheard, or unsupported, she will eventually reach a breaking point. And here's the part that's hardest to accept. She might still love you when she walks away. Love without respect, without effort, and without growth is like a plant without sunlight. It might survive for a while, but eventually it will wither. So what can you do? Here are a few quick actionable steps to become the man she never leaves. Check in daily. Ask how she's doing and mean it. Be consistent. Reliability builds trust. Flakiness destroys it. Listen to understand, not to fix. Sometimes she just needs to be heard. Encourage her goals. Be her biggest supporter, not her biggest critic. Show appreciation. A simple "I appreciate you" goes a long way. At the end of the day, a woman will leave the man she loves if that love leaves her feeling insecure, unseen, and unappreciated. But she will never leave the man who makes her feel chosen, safe, and inspired, because those feelings go deeper than love alone. If this message resonated with you, take it as a sign to reflect on how you show up in your relationships. Small, consistent actions can be the difference between a love that fades and a love that lasts a lifetime. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on love and relationship psychology, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.